Hello and welcome to one more episode on the role of magnesium. We are delighted to have such fabulous experts such as Dr. Akshaya Keerti. Dr. Akshaya Keerti, along with three other physicians, have taken on the baton of working on relatively understudied iron magnesium in body and understanding its role in cancer. They've already written five wonderful blogs. They published a book on role of magnesium in cancer. They have also been collaborating with my friend Brooks Robinson from Lydia Institute of Human Resilience and me at IronCure. It's a pleasure to work with such a talented bunch of scientists, physicians. So we previously discussed with Dr. Akshay few aspects. One is the role of magnesium in body. Then we've discussed how magnesium plays a role in DNA repair. Then how it plays a role in cell cycle. And it has been an amazing journey. Now we'll get to very often discussed thing in cancer, which is oxidative stress. So, Dr. Akshay, what is known? What do you think of role of magnesium in oxidative stress?
So when we talk about oxidative stress, it means that the body is, reacting to any adverse condition. You know, so that is basically in layman's term what oxidative stress is. You know, now it is called oxidative stress because it produces a lot of reactive oxygen species. You know, so these reactive oxygen species cause what we call the oxidative damage. Now, this oxidative damage can be in the form of a DNA damage. It can lead to the breakdown of protein, or it can lead to lipid peroxidation, which means the breakdown of the lipids. And this is a catastrophic cycle. Why? Because it leads to the further breakdown of these products, releasing more reactive oxygen species, which lead to breakdown of these products again. And it's like a vicious cycle going on and on again. And this causes what we call inflammation. Inflammation is not only related to cancer, but it is also related to a lot of other diseases. But since we are focusing on cancer here, let's limit our discussion to cancer. So these oxidative stresses are playing a very important role in causing inflammation, which is the underlying cause of all the cancers. So, and there are studies which have proven already, even before we knew about magnesium supplements, that the low magnesium intake or a malabsorption of magnesium in your GI system can lead to inflammation, which is due to oxidative stress. Now, this malabsorption can be due to obesity, or either you are on some drugs which are not letting magnesium absorb in your body. But there is enough scientific data to prove that magnesium has antioxidant properties, which regulates down what we call the NADPH oxidase and xanthine oxidase, which are the two enzymes which release reactive oxygen species. In simpler terms, these reactive oxygen species are being converted into much simpler substances in our body. Like instead of H2O2, which is a reactive oxygen species, we make H2O, which is a simple water molecule. So that is how magnesium, being such a small molecule, plays a huge role in reducing the oxidative stress, reducing inflammation, and thereby reducing the tumor burden, the cancer in patients.
I haven't heard a better, simpler, uh, concise explanation on magnesium. I think anyone working in cancer should listen to your expert commentary at least twice to understand how magnesium can be a game changer in cancer in multiple ways. And this oxidative stress was extremely insightful. Thank you, Dr. Akshay, again. We will meet again for other podcasts, and I hope we keep collaborating on various issues of magnesium and cancer. Thank you, Akshay. Thank you, Zenat.